In this painting video, I will show you how to create this beautiful stunning winter sunset scene step by step. Starting with this soft blue gradient in the background, and I blend the warm sunset tones to bring the sky to the life. On the right side, I painted the rugged mountain, and while on the left side I featured a snow covered peak. It's look more beautiful and very attractive. In the center of the painting there is a beautiful house, so I created the snow belt in the valley and I will paint a beautiful house on it. So in the center there is a beautiful house, and this house with the glowing effect of light pouring from its windows, surrounded by the peaceful snowy landscape, and a wooden partition marks the pathway and it looks more beautiful, and the snowy covered a bare trees added a character to the scene in the center, while a cluster of trees complete the composition on the right. This relaxing tutorial is very helpful and perfect for the beginners looking to the practices and blendings, textures and details work. So grab your brush and let's get started with me this winter masterpiece. I use acrylic colors and brushes, which is flat, round and detail brush, and I use the paper, but you can use canvas, whatever you want. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share your creation in the comments. Thanks for watching.